And group of girls, time for a big night of rock and roll. Boys, stacks and stacks and wax and wax and funny records are here on the radio. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Wolfman.
I now give you a former member of those British lads from Liver Snaps, the Beagles. All eyes, ears, and noses on bingo.
Doggone to love, doggone to love. My puppy love sent me away. Puppy love sent me away.
Bow, wow, bow, wow.
I was nothing but a happy till you walked your way into me life.
Bow, wow, bow, wow.
You gave me tips and please, now I'm begging on my knees. Please go away, I'll call the ASPCA, yeah. Doggone to love, doggone to love. My puppy love sent me away. Doggone to love, doggone to love. My puppy love sent me away.
Bow, wow, bow, wow.
I called the local dog catcher. I told him what you said.
Bow, wow, bow, wow.
He came out with his net to take you to the vet, but he grabbed me instead. Oh, doggone to love, doggone to love. My puppy love sent me away. Doggone to love, doggone to love. My puppy love sent me away. Oh yeah, my puppy love sent me away.
And on behalf of the band and myself, I hope we passed the audition.
That's Dingo Star, your hound at the pound. But now let's put the lights on Minnie. Her song will tell you hot up plenty. She'll tell you all about her fella. So take it, Minnie Mozzarella.
My girlfriend's told me he's no good. He'll hurt you one day. I never really understood till the Dragstrip took him away. Mickey was my boyfriend, so slick, so sharp, so cool. His hot rod was his toy friend, till he challenged him to a duel. He took his car out to the Dragstrip. The other gang was there. They call themselves the egg crates. They made him take the dare. The cars took off on burning rubber in a fiery cloud of smoke. Mickey would have been the winner till his rear end axle broke. No, 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 no. Now Mickey's gone away from me. He never said goodbye, but he'll be safe and sound, you see, in that Dragstrip in the
Okay, thank you there, Benny, you little cutie. Oh, we got a good show coming up for you. Coming up, Beach Bear with Sand in his paws. So we'll see you in just a little while. Speaking of paws, we're going to take this pause. We'll be back with more right here at the Showbiz Pizza Place. This is your off-stage announcer saying, I'm going to go home.